Hello, my crafty and stamping friends. My name is Colleen Light, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that comes to you from Southwest Washington. I wanted to share with you what a paper pumpkin subscription is and how much fun these little boxes actually are. And I do get quite a few questions about what a paper pumpkin looks like, what it is, and how to go about ordering it. So just before I show you inside this very fun-filled box, let me just give you the rundown. It just is a box of, it's just a fabulous box that has a project or cards or treat box, something fun in it that comes to your mailbox every month. You can do prepaid subscription plans. I just trip over that word. Or you can order month to month. What I love about it is just that. It comes to my mailbox. It's always a surprise. Every paper pumpkin's going to be different. It may coordinate with a suite that Stampin' Up! Has put out. It may be something to do with a holiday, treat box, oh, you name it. I've seen it all, and some of them I just absolutely love. There's only been a couple that I have suspended for, I just don't have little kids around anymore. So those will usually be the ones I skip. That is the beauty of Paper Pumpkin. If you don't think you're going to like next month's kit, just suspend for a month. Anyway, back to the task at hand. I really want, since I've gotten so many questions, I just want to share with you what came in April 2022's box and show you how fabulous these little kits are. So normally this would be covered in plastic wrap. So that makes it a little bit more weather resistant. And if you've ever been to Southwest Washington, you know we get the rain. So I appreciate the plastic on the outside. Then we're going to open it up. Now I've already taken a peek in here, so it's not as neat as it would be. This would be your sneak peek to next month. And next month in May, so you would need to subscribe for this by May 10th. The 10th is the standard rule of thumb. That's the last cut-off date you can order that month's kit for. Does that sentence make any sense? So anyway, this next May's kit, this is our little hint. It is going to be about all of our new 2022, 2024 ink colors. If you haven't seen them, here's your peek. Aren't they fabulous? Actually, a lot of people aren't green fans, and it's my favorite color. Look, I even have it on my nails. Anyway, love the color green. What's going to be fun about this one is you have a chance to win a golden voucher inside your May 2022 Paper Pumpkin box, and that is worth $25 in the United States, $34 in Canada, in Stampin' Up! Products. So it reminds me of that movie, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Remember the golden ticket in the Hershey bar or candy bar? I don't know what candy bar it was. Anyway, but it's just fun. It's like you have the potential to win a prize. So that's fun. Your kit will always come wrapped in a little tissue paper on the inside, and I save this for gifts and on down the line just because that's who I am. Your components would also come wrapped in plastic, but like I said, I've already gotten into it. So I'm going to just flip this over and take a minute to organize. I save all of my boxes. They're great to wrap presents in or store cards in. The base of the box has a sturdy piece of cardboard, so that's kind of nice. And then it has your instructions in here. And then I'm going to show you everything that comes in this box. So this is fun. This is our instruction booklet. Look at these cards this particular kit makes. They're fun folds. Change is beautiful. They are really, really neat cards. I'll probably make this kit just as it came. Every paper pumpkin comes with your instruction pamphlet. That will have a ruler at the bottom. Goes up to 18 inches, so that's nice. So if you are a scrapbooker and you want to use your components to scrapbook, this ruler does go up to 18 inches. Your instructions, it's a color pictorial. and we'll go with you through all of the steps on how to make it. If you want more detailed instructions, there is I just saw it. Where did it go? There is a code that you can do. Oh, right here, your QR code that you can, I think you use your phone. I've actually never used it. And it'll bring up detailed instructions for this kit when you scan that. Here is a picture of everything that is included in this month's kit. No matter what kit you get, the back of Get Started, the Get Started part of your instructions will look very similar, just in regards to that particular kit. It will always list your kit components, and this contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes, and it will give you your coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. So that is just great. It will also give you an idea. You'll notice I mentioned pictures and scrapbooking, and that is one of the alternative ideas for this particular kit on how to do more with your month's kit. A lot of people like to make alternative projects, and they are fun. I tend to make my paper pumpkins just as is, but that's just me. I make so many cards. Sometimes it's nice just to make cards that somebody else has designed. Every paper pumpkin kit comes with an ink spot. This particular one is Melon Mambo. Sometimes I use the ink spot. Most of the time I have the full-sized ink pad. And so I don't, but I save these for friends of mine who are new to stamping or making a different type of project. Or, my grandchildren will snag them. So every kit will have that. This particular kit came with a full sheet of dimensionals, and I haven't gotten a kit yet that has not had a full sheet of dimensionals, and I've been doing this for a while. Every kit comes with an exclusive stamp set. I love this one. This one is photopolymer. What I love about photopolymer is that they are see-through. And what I mean by that is that once you put your stamp on your block, now I'm also going to say that your first kit will come with a block. It won't be one of these. They're thinner for the paper pumpkins, but I can't find mine right now. So photopolymer, what I like about it is you can see through them. So you know exactly where you are stamping, which I love that about photopolymer stamps. So this is fun. I store my paper pumpkin stamps with the month and the year in a mini photo album. And even though I am an avid stamper and crafter, I still will go back to my paper pumpkin stamp sets if I am looking for a certain sentiment that maybe I don't have, or maybe, especially around the holidays, maybe something in particular that I am looking for that I don't have in the stamp set. So that's always great. This kit came with 9 envelopes, and let me show you. These are our colors. How fabulous are these? So you get 9 envelopes. And what I really like about this is the inside. They're just special. They're fun and special envelopes. They're full size. And it's just that little bit of extra. So love, love, love them. You'll get your cutouts. Stampin' Up! Does not assume that you have a die cutting machine. So this is an all-inclusive kit. So you are ready to go when you have this. I love to camp, as everyone knows, and I've gotten into this a little bit, so you can see. I think these butterflies are fabulous. I love to camp, so paper pumpkins are perfect for me, or any all-inclusive kit is, when I go camping, because sometimes I just need to keep my hands busy, and this just works out great for me, because I can throw this a couple of blocks and maybe some extra adhesive in, and I'm good in some coordinating colors, and tags, so ready to go there. Look at these embellishments. These are so much fun. They're uneven. They're like little pebbles. I just love them. So it comes with embellishments. Sometimes you'll get a spool of ribbon. You'll get some twine. This one did not come with twine or ribbon. But oftentimes your paper pumpkin kit will come with that. And we're not using glue dots with this kit. But if you were to get a paper pumpkin kit that required glue dots, it does come. This is one from another kit that I have. How perfect are these? These work out just super well, and they actually do hold very, very well. These are our cards, and we have 3 of each design, and you can see the fun fold. Everyone loves a fun fold, including me. So I'm excited to make these. So we have 3 of these, 3 of this design. I love how the pink looks against the black. Don't you? Isn't that great? I can't wait to make this one. This one looks like it's just going to be very pretty. And then we have this one, which probably you're thinking, oh, that's so dark. Look, 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 look. And when you fold it over, and I can't wait to design this. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, if you had some Wink Stella and you just wanted to add a little bit extra to this kit, the ideas are going through my head. But like I said, I'll probably make this one just as is. So this is what came in April 2022's Paper Pumpkin all-inclusive kit, which comes right to your mailbox, and it doesn't get any better or easier than that for me. So this is great for people who are just beginning to stamp, because it's a good way to build up your supplies without breaking the bank, and to really find out if it's the hobby you love. I absolutely love it. I do this because I love it so much. So if you have any questions, and here's our envelopes, and let me grab out our instructions. So if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, please feel free to reach out and ask. Even if you have a demonstrator, you know, order from whatever demonstrator you've been working with. But I like to take the time to answer questions and to interact with people. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask me. I'm going to make some of these cards today. Please give me a thumbs up, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, increasing those numbers helps. But also follow me on Facebook. It's cardsbycoco.com on Facebook, or Instagram, which is Colleen Light Cards by Coco. Follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to make some of these cards, and I post a lot to Instagram. Anyway, it's always so much fun to spend time with you. I'm going to put some of these cards together, and I will have them online before you know it. And I do Facebook Lives every Thursday morning at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then I post to YouTube. Have a wonderful day. I hope I answered some questions you might have about the Paper Pumpkin subscription, and hope to see you soon.